In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Airtable. To get started, open Airtable and go into the base where you want to organize your information. A base is basically your workspace, and it holds the tables and fields where your records live. If you're using tags to sort projects, track status, group content, or label contacts, this is where that setup begins. Once you're inside the correct base, look across the top of your table for the plus sign. This is the option you'll use to add a new field. A field is simply a column, and in Airtable, the field type determines what kind of data can go into that column. Since tags are usually selected from a list, you'll want to create a field that supports preset options rather than plain text. Click the plus sign to add that new field. When Airtable asks what kind of field you want to create, type in single select or multi-select. These are the two field types most commonly used for tags. Single select is best if each record should only have one tag at a time, like one status or one category. Multi-select is better if a record may need several tags, such as multiple topics, labels, or attributes. After choosing the field type, Airtable will guide you through the setup. This is where you can define the tag options you want available. In most cases, Airtable will present on-screen prompts that let you name the field, add your tag choices, and sometimes assign colors to make the tags easier to scan visually. Try to choose short, clear tag names so your table stays easy to read. Once the field is created, click on the cell below that new column. This is where you'll start applying tags to individual records. If you made a single select field, you'll choose one option from the list. If you made a multi-select field, you can add more than one. Airtable will continue to guide you with on-screen prompts, so just follow what appears and select or create the tags you need. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to keep your tagging system consistent from the start. That makes filtering, sorting, and searching much easier later on. And that's how to create tags in Airtable. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very fast and intuitive.